one of the beautiful attributes of the Beast Tower, if you'll look at that amazing head, one of the reasons for that beautiful head formation is all the flaked oats and malted oats that we use in this beer. The beta-glucans from these oats give this beer very silky texture and help enhance and create a very thick, creamy head atop it, even at a higher ABV range where we are with this beer.
Jim, I love when you talk about beta-glucans. Another thing that's going to help with the head formation is we fully carbonate all of our barrel-aged beers. We get them nice and cold. We carbonate them just like we would a pale ale or anything else. A lot of people prefer these beers to be a little bit warmer and a little bit less carbonated, and you can achieve that yourself by decanting and waiting for it to be exactly what you prefer. But if you like it cold and zippy like I do, you can't have that unless we fully carbonate the beer. So feel free to experiment with all your cans, pour aggressively, try to decant nice and gently. You can let the can warm up before you open it, let it sit open, pour it, let it warm in your snifter, whatever you want, the world's your oyster.
This baby was obviously poured aggressively. I very much like the results from that. Cheers, bud.